Fabio Quartararo is the 2021 MotoGP World Champion. Fabio Quartararo, your 2021 MotoGP World Champion on a day we'll never forget here in Misano. They can't believe it. They've waited for this. There's been a lot of pent-up emotion held back from Fabio Quartararo as he's been trying to get this, because last year hurt so much. There's going to be some serious emotions over the next few hours for this young man, Fabio Quartararo, because he still can't believe it. Stop here, he's told. Let's see these celebrations then for Fabio Quartararo. The golden helmet for Fabio Quartararo. The moment he's been waiting for.
World champion, baby!